adore you. I'ma take another zone, get more so. So give a fuck what they say, it's just you and me. I'ma count up this cake, I got killers for pain.
Alright guys, we're back. Today's finally the day. We're gonna put this whole bitch together. So let's just dive right into it. Alright guys, let's flush this motor with some gas. Trying to fill this bottle up with gas just to get out all the dirt and shit that fell in there when we took this thing apart. Cheers! Oh, look at all that shit coming out, bro. Really hope no one tries to light a match around here. And for the magneto side, oh. Really don't want to breathe this shit in. Alright guys, let's start assembling this bitch. First things first is get this cam chain on here. That's done. I'll apply a little bit of this ticky-tacky. There's that. There we go. Yep. Next is telling me to install the wood roof key. Okay, got that. Okay. Yes, she's on there now. Yeah, that's not fucking going nowhere. 30. That should be enough. All right. That's done. Let's get the gasket on there and cover her up. Gasket's on. Yes, sir. That's good. That's good. Oh. That's good. Ignition side is done. Now the fun begins. Get the piston on here in the cylinder. First is get the piston on. Let's get this piston on here. Alright, now for the other side. Come on. Oh! Look how close that was, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to put something there right now. After you, it is the cylinder. Yep. I got a whole bunch of parts for this little bike, bro. I got the Tusk guards with the blinkers. I got a new tail light. We're gonna do everything on this channel after we get the engine up and running. I'm gonna show you guys how to do everything, bro. I'm gonna hook you guys up. Let's get the cylinder. This shit's annoying because you gotta compress the rings and finagle the cam chain. Need that cam chain right there. Gotta compress this ring here. That's it, she should. Yep. Alright, so we got the guide installed. Next, the cylinder head, the gasket, then the cylinder head. Let's try to do this. Up top. Yep. Fucking finally, bro. Holy shit, that was fucking annoying. Found the cam chain guide bolt. Let's throw that in there. Hopefully she lines up, doesn't fall on us, and it should be fine. Yep. Perfect. Let's grab a ratchet, because you don't want to put too much tension on one side. Yep, I guess that's on. That's going nowhere. Try fitting a socket in there, bro. That's not gonna fucking work. Oh yeah, that head's on there now. Let's get the cam on. First things first is get the spots where the cam's gonna mate lubed up a little bit with this ticky-tacky. Alright guys, before putting the cam back on, we had to put this in TDC. You basically stick a socket in here, 14 mil I think it is, or 17. Then you turn it counterclockwise, which is this way. And there's a little line right there that lines up. And then you double check by just taking a screwdriver. You can see the piston right there. I can, but I don't know if you guys can, but you just double check and you make sure you can fill that piston and top that center. That's how you know. That's how you set TDC. I forgot to go over timing. Basically, there's 2 marks in the cam that have to line up. I'll just include a little quick shot from the service manual in case you guys are wondering. All right. And here goes nothing. So I got it. The C-clip had to be installed after, so you literally pull it out, slide this in, boom. Now you gotta put RTV on the outside here. And this thing's gonna be a bitch to come off. Whatever, I'll hit it over, I'll go over and clean it up. Oh yeah, I don't want this on here either. Yep, that should be good. Next, the valve cover. Alright guys, we got the valve cover on, the GoPro died. That's done. That's done. 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 Boom. Come on. Alright, let's get the cam chain tensioner on here. Yeah, I was supposed to loosen this bolt, but you can't loosen it. I don't have a vise on me. Forgot to loosen when I took it out. So I guess we'll just do this and then we'll crank it. We'll pop it open, kind of do it backwards. Probably not right, but at least it's getting on there. Let's see if that thing is still extending. should have did this when I was taking the bike apart, but hope they don't ruin the gasket. Next is to set the valve clearance. Oh, motherfucker, bro. Where's the vice grips? Oh, God, you're fucking kidding me with this shit, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that one. Fuck yeah. Fuck you. Yep, gonna need to replace that. Definitely gonna replace those. We're looking for 0.076. Gotta give a shout out to this dude, because that's who I'm jacking my shit from right now. What's his name? Baker X Derek. Fuck with you, bro. Put that in there right there. Looking for a slight drag. That's what I'm looking for. Double check that. Slight drag. Alright, let's do the next side. Yep, we're done. Alright, these are ready to go. Alright guys, in this video we got everything done with the motor. So thank you for sticking around. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. The next video we're going to dress her up and send me the first fire, so stay tuned.